Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, hi, how are you? I hope you are fine. Welcome to this revision of geometry for Prep 3. Okay, let's start our revision with the first question. The first question is choose the correct answer. Okay, in this opposite figure, we have AB is diameter and measure angle ABC is angle ABC is equal to 40 degree. Find the measure of arc BC. Okay, let's start with this sentence, which is AB is diameter. AB is diameter. It means that AB, the measure of arc ACB, equal 180 degree. And he told me that measure of angle ABC, this angle is 40 degree. What does it mean? It means that the measure of arc AC is an arc which is the inscribed angle subtended by it, and its measure is double of the measure of this inscribed angle. So the measure of arc AC is 80 degree, double of this angle, and we have this arc ACB is 180. So the rest of 180 degree minus 80. So the answer will be 100. Okay, let's move to the next question. The circumference of a circle, the circumference of a circle is 6 pi centimeter. And this is the important data you can deal with first. Okay, what is the circumference of the rule of circumference? Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is equal to 6 pi. That means 2r is equal to 6 centimeter, and dividing by 2 both sides, r will be 3 centimeter. What does it mean r will be 3 centimeter? It means the distance between the center and any point lies on a circle is equal to 3 centimeter. And he told me in the question also that the straight line at distance 3 centimeter from the center. So the figure will be like this. Yes, this straight line, which is red one, touch this circle at one point, which is the point of tangency. So this straight line is a tangent for the circle. Next question. Let's move to the next question. Okay, the next question is, we have the triangle ABC, which is equilateral. Equilateral triangle, yes, that means AB equal BC equal AC, and means also that the measure of any angle of this triangle, measure angle A or B or C, will equal 60 degree. Okay, he asking about the measure of angle BMC, this angle. We already know that the measure of the angle BMC is central angle, and angle A is inscribed, and both of this angle subtended by the arc BC, and we know in this case the central angle is equal to double of the described angle. That means mirror angle PMC will be exactly 120 degree. Let's go to the next question. The next question, yes, in the opposite figure, we have D is midpoint of EB. That means that MD is perpendicular to AB. If we have a straight line or a line from center to the midpoint of any chord, so it's perpendicular to this chord. And also, he told me that H is midpoint. That also mean MH is perpendicular to AB, AC. Okay, now we have this figure. I will color it for you. Yes, This color, which this figure is ADMH. ADMH is quadrilateral. What does it mean, quadrilateral? Quadrilateral, we know that the measure of the sum of measure of interior angle of quadrilateral is 360. So to get the measure of this angle, it will be 360 minus 90 plus 90 plus 255. It will be 125 degree. Okay, so the answer D is the right one. Let's move to the next question. I think it will be easy for you. Okay, in the opposite figure, we have AC is tangent, and it's a key word, a key answer of this question. This is tangent, that means that measure angle ACM is 90 degree. So this angle will be right. And if we have a right angle triangle, we can use Pythagoras theorem. Let's remember. He told me that MC is 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter, and this is radius. Also, MB will be also 5 centimeter because MB is also radius. And AB is 8 centimeter. So MA, the length of MA, total length of MA is 13 centimeter. 5 plus 8. He asking about AC. Okay, so from Pythagoras, you can find AC equals MA is hypotenuse length power 2 square of AM minus square of MC. Substituting, instead of MA, all power 2 13 power 2 minus 5 power 2, it will be 144. And we have a power 2, so we can get square root for both sides. That means AC will be 12 centimeter. Okay, let's go to the next question, and I hope it will be easy for you. Next question. In the opposite figure, we have AD is diameter, so it's one line, and AC and BC are two tangent of a circle. Okay, let's start with this data. AC is tangent, so this angle will be right. Angle CMA, CAM. And if this tangent, so this angle will be right also. We have two angles, two right angles. Okay. He asking about measure angle to prove measure angle DMB. DMB, this angle, is equal to angle ACB, this angle. Let's start to prove. We have AC is tangent and BC is tangent also, so we have measure angle A and measure angle B are 90 and 90. And the figure ACBM is quadrilateral. That means measure angle, the sum of interior angle, yes, equal 360. We have measure angle C supplement with measure angle B, A, and B. So angle C and the angle A and B are supplementary. Their sum equals 180 degree. And from this line, A and D, we can discover that A and B and B and D supplementary also. So this angle are two supplementary. And we have C supplements A and B, and D supplements A and B. They are supplements the same angle, so they are equal in measure. Okay. In the opposite figure, we have AC is diameter, AB is diameter, and the AC touches the circle, so AC is tangent. Since AC is tangent, so the angle is 90 degree. This angle will be 90 degree. Yes. Okay. Let's look at AB is diameter. AB is diameter. So angle ADB this angle is inscribed, drawn in a semicircle, that means this is 90. Now we can use Pythagoras like this rule. Yes, PC bar 2 equals AC, which is 9 centimeter, and BM is 6, so this will be 6. So PC bar 2 will equal 9 bar 2 plus 12 bar 2, which is 81 plus 444. So BC will be 15 centimeter by getting square root for both. Now he asking about the length of AD. How can we find this length line of segment AD? Okay, we have a right angle triangle and there is a projection from AD, so we can use Euclidean theorem. Euclidean theorem tells us if we want to find the length of AD, it will be AC multiplied by AB divided by the hypotenuse BC. So AC multiplied AB divided by BC, substituting instead of AC with 15 centimeter, we already know, and AB by 12, AC 9 and 12 and 15. So the answer will be, okay, yes, right, 7.2 centimeter. Let's move to the next question. We have here angle A is 60 and BM is 6 centimeter. MD is perpendicular to PC. He wants to get the length of this side, MD. Okay, we have here an inscribed angle and the central angle CMB. They are subtended by same arc, which is BC. So we can find that this angle is double the inscribed. So the measure of angle CMB is 120 degree, double of 60. Okay, in triangle, in this color triangle, I will color them for you. Okay, this is the triangle. And this one. We have now two triangles, which are MPD and MCD. These two triangles are congruent. Why? Because of MB and MC are two radii, they are equal, the first condition. And second one, MD is common side between two triangles, and measure of angle MDB is equal to the measure of angle MDC. So they are congruent. So this angle will be equal to this angle. So each of them will be 60. Let's go to the small triangle. Yes, this will be 60 degree. In triangle MPD, we have 60, 90. So the measure of angle B will be 30 degree. And we already know that the opposite side to the angle 30 and right angle triangle is half length of the hypotenuse. That means MD will be, yes, 3 centimeter, half of MB. Let's go to the next question. The next one, AB is diameter. And this arc, AC is 80 centimeter, and the angle of H is 30 centimeter. We want to get this, the measure of this arc. Okay, we have to do some construction to get a use of this measure 8 degree. So first construction to draw MC like this and MD. Okay, we have here the central angle AMC, which is opposite to the measure of arc AC. So the measure of angle AMC is equal 80 degree also. You can observe that this angle is exterior of this triangle. Is exterior of triangle CMH. What does it mean? It means that you can find the measure of this angle MAC by subtracting 80 minus 30, it will be 50. So it will be 50 degree. Okay. What next? So this will be 50 degree. Now we have the triangle CMD, this triangle, which is isotriangle because we have MC and DM is 2 radii and they are equal in length. So the base angle are equal in length. So measure angle MDC also will be 50 degree. In this case, we can find the measure of this angle. Yes, 180 minus 50 plus 50 will be 80. So the measure of the arc ABC is equal to 80 degree also. Because it's a central angle and this is opposite arc to the central angle. Let's go to the next question. The next question is, in the opposite figure, we have this angle which is formed from intersection of two chords of a circle, and we have measure angle A 80. This angle is 140. So we want to measure this, find the measure of this angle, which is angle C. Now, it's okay. This angle A is 80 degree. That means the measure of arc DC, this arc, will be double of this measure because angle A is inscribed angle. So the measure of arc DC is 160 degree. Okay, we have the rule for the measure of the angle which formed from intersection of two chords, which is angle CED. It's equal half the sum of the two arc DC and AB. Okay, instead of DC, we can put 160 degree, and instead of this angle, we will put 140, multiplying two of both sides, measure angle EO, this arc, AB, will be 120. So this angle BCD will be PCA will be 120 divided by 2, which is 60 degree. Let's go to the next question. We have MD/MX is perpendicular. So since MX is perpendicular and MY is perpendicular, so X is midpoint of AB and Y is midpoint of AC. And since they are midpoint and midpoint, we know before that the The line segment joining between two points of a sides of triangle is parallel to the third. So XY is parallel to CB. Okay, from parallelism, we can find that the measure of angle AXY is equal to the measure of angle CB, corresponding angles. So the angle will be 70 degree also. We have a straight angle AXB, 70, 90. So the rest one, the small one, which is YXM, is 180 minus 70 plus 90, it will be 20 degree. Let's go to the next question. The next one. In the opposite figure, we have AC is diameter. And since AC is diameter, so angle CBA is inscribed, drawn in a half circle, so this angle will be right. He want to get the measure of angle CBM. CBM, this angle. Okay, in triangle AMB, we have AM and MB are 2 radii, so they are equal in length. So that as a triangle, that means the measure of angle MBA is also 40 degree. We have 40 and 40, and we have said that ABC is 90 degree, so we can subtract 90 from 40. 40 from 90, the measure of angle CBA will be 50 degree. Let's go to the last question. We have DC is 80 degree and AH is 100. And we have also AB is diameter. He wants to ask about the measure of angle DHB. DHB, this angle. Okay. We have AB is diameter. So the measure of arc ACBDB is 180 degrees, the measure of this arc. And we have AB is parallel to DC, which means that arc AC is equal to measure arc BD. These two arcs are equal in measure, and we have DC is 80, so the measure of any arc of them, AC or whatever AC or BD, will be 180 minus 80 divided by 2, which is 50 degree. And we can notice that angle H is inscribed the angle and subtended by the arc BD, so measure angle H is 25 degree, half of 50. Let's go to the next question. Measure of angle AOH. AOH, this angle. We already know that this angle is formed of intersection of two chords of a circle. So the measure of angle AOH is half the measure of arc AH plus BD, which is equal half of 50 plus 100. This means it's 75 degree. Okay, this was the last question. I was happy with you. Thank you, and see you later in another division. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.